Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna have a new adventure. We are going to RECOARO town, which is a town up to a mountain. The name of this mountain is Dolomiti. I'm not gonna lose time, let's go. Okay, we are in RECOARO. Let's go.
Dream about the end of the world. I would see the heavens be catching fire. I feel the end is near. I will sit here and I watch. I feel the end is near. I will sit here and I watch. Catching fire. I will see the heavens be catching fire. Catching fire. I will see the heavens be catching fire. Dream about the end of the world. I would see the heavens be catching fire. I feel the end is near. I will sit here and I watch. I feel the end is near. I will sit here and I watch. Catching fire. I will see the heavens be catching fire. Catching fire. I will see the heavens be catching fire. I will dream about the end of the world. I will see the heavens be.
As I'm seeing, there's lots of nature, but I think that this town is something that's. I think that this town is focusing a lot on the art. So there are many art shops where artists sell their paintings, and this is very beautiful. I'm enjoying this thing a lot. So I will continue to show you these shops and what's happening around me now.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a
Water so powerful. Oh my god. The sound of this water was something crazy and amazing, and my heart was racing because it's really power. Of course.
We can
Okay guys, I'm done. I'm going away. That was a very beautiful, relaxing adventure. I really loved it. I've just had a beautiful day. Visit this town if you can, because it's really chilling, relaxing and beautiful. Okay, see you soon with my next video. Ciao and meow. And take care of yourself. Always.